Hi all. Today I'm going to help you with two simple techniques that will regularize your sleeping pattern. If you are suffering from sleeping disorder, this will definitely help you. Step number 1 is to make a simple breathing pranayama. Okay? Inhale. You can do this humming bee sound with Shanmukhi Mudra also. Little finger on your sides, ring, middle, index, and close your ears. This will stimulate your melatonin hormone, which is responsible for your sleep cycle. And step number 2 is to watch the sunrise every day morning. Just watch it in the morning and sleep at night on time. Make a difference in your sleep. Thank you.